Hello, YouTube. This is Mrs. Autumn Lover, your girl, and this is my daughter, Autumn. Say hi.
Hi.
Remember I told you that I was going to show you how I washed Autumn's hair? But right now I have the conditioner in Autumn's hair. Show him, Autumn. Show him the conditioner in your hair. Turn. Turn around. As you see, my baby has really, really curly hair. Turn around. Turn this way. She has really curly hair. And so what I'm going to do after I condition her hair is I'm going to put it in 2-strand twists. See, there goes Autumn. Say hi.
Hi.
My name's Autumn.
My name is Adam.
And
Hello.
we're going to show you how we condition Autumn's hair. Turn around again, Autumn. You see how curly her hair is?
Boop, boop, boop.
All right. Thank you, YouTube.
Thank you, YouTube.
See you later.
See you later.
Bye.
Bye.